Hello, this is Vanessa of the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you a quick way to calculate the number of stitches you need to make before doing an increase for your patterns. So the formula I use is I take the number of stitches in my current round and then I divide that by the number of increases I want to make minus 1. So here in my current round I have 18 stitches and I know I want to increase by 6. So 18 divided by 6 is 3, then minus 1 is 2, and now I know I need to make 2 stitches before I do an increase for my next round. And then written out, this would read as single crochet 2, then increase 1, repeat this set 6 times, and I'll have a total of 24 stitches at the end. And that's how you can quickly calculate your increases for any pattern. I hope you guys found this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.